AI for content marketing. What are the main trends in 2024 and how can you leverage AI to improve all your content marketing strategy? In this video, this is Luca Papa and I will explain you how to use AI for content marketing. Then if you have some questions at the end of the video, you have the opportunity to ask for a free one-to-one consultation with one of my collaborators. The impact of AI in the content marketing world is impressive because at the end, if you think about the opportunity that AI is giving us, are amazing. Now you can produce very good text content, also SEO optimized. You can produce amazing images, and we are going to see in 2024 very good video tools for your promotional videos. So at the end, your content marketing activity is much easier today if you use AI. And this is an amazing opportunity for every entrepreneur. Maybe not for if you're a professional because you like to create content with your hands. But if you're an entrepreneur, this is an amazing news for you because you are not interested in spending your time to generate content. You are not passionate about content, you're passionate about making money with your business. So what are the advantages of using AI for an entrepreneur when it comes to generate content and content marketing activities? First of all, there's a speed factor. You can be very fast in doing everything. So if you need 5 new posts for your blog in order to improve your SEO activity next month, it's very easy. In one day, in a few hours, in the one day time, you can produce easily from 5 to 10 blog post article SEO optimized with AI. In the previous world, it would have taken you maybe 1 month, 2 months to produce the same amount of written content. Then let's consider also quality. I know that if you were, as an entrepreneur, if you were a designer, you would probably produce very good images. But the large majorities of social channels, when it comes to small medium entrepreneurs, they use very ugly images or not professional images. Now what you can do is to hire not a designer, but hire an AI system generating images for you, and so you will have professional images at almost no cost, and most important, without needing specific skills, design skills, and with a very small budget. Then in 2024 you will be able to use AI to increase user engagement. How? Customizing content for them. I want to provide you an example. When it comes to lead generation, we have thousands of blog articles on our website, and we want to generate leads when somebody is reading one of our blog articles. In order to do that, we need a lead magnet. A lead magnet, for example, is an ebook talking on the same subject of the landing page. So if you have a landing page talking about marketing automation, the ideal lead magnet would be an ebook on marketing automation solutions in 2024. If you want that ebook, you have to leave us your contact details, so we generate a lead. With AI, everything the game is much easier because now we are already using AI to produce ebooks for hundreds of pages. And I mean, a 30-40 pages ebook, it took us 1 month to develop an ebook like that. Now in a few hours we generate an amazing ebook that we use for lead generation purposes on our website. Then what can you expect in the future using AI as an entrepreneur? Agencies already are using AI, and they are using AI to save time, providing you the same services and with the same prices, or maybe even higher prices. So you have to realize that if you as an entrepreneur want to increase your results and decrease your cost, What you do is leveraging AI for all your content marketing activity. That's the first very useful application of AI content marketing. So AI is very effective in generating customized content for each of your web pages. For example, if you were an e-commerce, AI can generate your e-commerce product description automatically, very fast. But also if you want to provide a specific piece of content, for example, a customized nutrition plan, you can ask just your user to fill out some information in a file or in a content form, and you can provide him a customized nutrition plan made by AI. Now, if you, as an entrepreneur, or an aspiring entrepreneur, want to use AI to leverage your business and to improve your profits, what you can do is that you can ask us information, a free one-to-one consultation. We can explain you what we can do for you. And just to a general idea, we have a marketing for AI or AI for marketing program. It depends on you wanna read it. AI for marketing program, and this is an amazing program where we help you as a business owner to implement week by week all AI application into your business. So it's not a course, it's not even a web agency service, it's an implementation service through which each week we tell you what to do, and we give you feedback once you do that, so to correct any mistake or error.